Kalaflai atu, hane atu tolo tau wala tal tutupu ke lata ia mo pōlia pōnei. Greetings and kalaflai atu, these are our news bulletin for tonight. Ke he mahina o ke topa kua manaki e whale taonga niwe, fō ke ha whangi ke he whanua I halamahanga. Ka mata tālanga e whale taonga niwe fō ke he matahiku, ke he tau kua mole, mo e matakau tā whale koe Doug the Builder. Hahai ai e tau mga aho ne kua whakatolo maki e mau e whale fō, he taonga ni koe, ka kua nākai katoa toa e tau koloa tā whale ke he motu. Pē mai e takitaki ne kua leweki atu ke he whale taonga ni we, he whahinga hua PMCU, ke mga aho nei kua holomitaki e tuanga he whale, ke lata mai aho awhangi he mahina fōu. Amanaki e hawhangianga he whale taonga ni we, ke tau se ke he aho hongwhulumahiwa i au ke topa ua awhi moe hongwhulumawalu. Moe kua tau se whalataha moe tau whakawhiawhia whangwhulumawha he pule whakamotu ki halamahanga. The new Taonga Niue building is confirmed to be opened in October. The construction of the Taonga Niue building commenced last year with Doug the Builder contractors. There have been a few delays due to a shortage of building materials here on the island. According to the Taonga Niue project manager from PMCU, the new Taonga Niue building will be ready in time for the grand opening next month. Taonga Niue shifted out of the Paliasi grounds early this month and settled into the old education department in Halamahanga until the opening of the museum. The new museum is scheduled to open next month on the 19th of October alongside the 44th Constitution celebrations. Ko niwe e motu whamua he Pasifika, he whano he matakau Pacific Aviation Security ua whemai hongwhumawalu ke he Scenic Matavai. Koe tau whatutalanga hangau ke he tau puhala ke pui pui, aki e tau tangata mo e tau tangata ngahua, ke tau wakalele, ke he ne kua owhenonga, ke he tau motu atu Pasifika. Toko honga fulu e motu mai he atu Pasifika, ne kua whakalataha mai ke he whanoanga nei, ko Niue, atu Lunga, Samoa, Vanuatu, Tonga, Papua New Guinea, Kiribati, Nauru, mo Solomona, kua nākai whakalataha e tau takitaki, ke he tau puhala o whenonga, ke he pulangi, he motu hatuwalu, ke lata ia me tau nei.
Tau whakahorangan no kua nono maturi kei, ke mai ke whiwhi tau takitaki he tau atu motu Pasifika ka, ke whailau mataianga ke lata i mo e tau tangata o whenonga. Ko hingo e mena lahi ke puipuia ke arotoura tau o whenonga. Si tunga nei ane ono lahi ke New Zealand mo Australia, e arotoura tau langa matai mo e whuaki mai tau koroa, ke lata i mo e arotoura tau marewa areri, tunga i e tau masini huru, mo e tau whakakoanga ke lata i mo e tau ofisa ne ngahua i ke reweki atu he tau puipui tangata ke lata i mo e o whenonga. Si koe matapatu ne whakawea matori ki ai, ke mai ke whiwhi, mauturu ke whelong matai aki, po ke mō he tau long matai ia mai New Zealand po Australia. Kai whakawini ni ka New Zealand he marololo turu me whaki mai tau koroa, ke whakoroa ke tau marewa kareri, tunga i e tau masini hu, mai ke whakero turu ke whakako e tau ofisa, ke hea mauturu a whainga hua, ke rātai me matanga hua ia. Home tau motu Pasifika tau, ai lahi kai tau reko ia ke tupoi ke tau, kai lahi ke tau muti whafu. Tunga hi e ono te ke he tau koroa, he tau tangata ne whaauta ki lunga he purangi. Hai e whauru tau koroa na kua nākai meki ke ota. Hai e tau koroa na kua lata ke ono whakalahi ki ai. Ke meki arotoru ke whiri manatu koe hoko na ke koroa i e whanu ke whaleri po ke nākai.
Katoa e tōlu e tautau he nākai whakahoko e whanoanga nei, si kua wha mahani ke takitaki e New Zealand. Kua whaihikianga ke tau nei hako Niue, e motu whakamua ne ko tau se whakaholonga nei ki loto e Pasifika. Ko whamoli he whanoanga e takitaki leo ko Toniata Edwards, ke takitaki e whanoanga he matakau Pacific Aviation Security ke he tahe tau.
Koe kamatanga nei he whanoanga nei, hamnai, ko mana walahini ki ha ke takitaki New Zealand e tau whanoanga nei. Ka koe ono ang hako ke latai me whanoanga nei, ke mai ke kumi taha tangata koe cheanga ke nofe nofoa ke mai ke takitaki e whanoanga nei. Si tunga nei ko whitani he taria ko eke au mo no whoa, ke lata e moe whanoanga nei, ke tahe tau, si ko taria whukiti e Samoa, ke tausi lotu e whanoanga nei, ke mutu ko Samoa e toka hau.
Amanaki ke whakahoko e whono Pacific Island Aviation Security and Safety ki Samoa, he tau ua wheme hongwhumahiwa. Kua whakatoatoa ke hau nei e whanoanga moe tukwhenonga e tau takitaki, he tau atu motu he Pasifika ke he ahawhaleile. The Niue Police hosted the Pacific Island Aviation Safety Security Forum at the scenic Matavai Resorts. The meeting were attended by the members of the region with an exception of Tuvalu, who were unable to attend the forum.
This forum is to ensure that everyone that travels on air are safe and who follow the regulations provided by the ICAO based in Montreal. So if everyone understands the safety of those travelling on air, we've got to make sure that everyone, or all the heads of aviation security are formally informed of what that really means. So it's basically keeping everyone safe who travels on air. We're focusing more on the regulators. So we've got the regulators and we've got the operators. So the aviation security services are the operators, and then we've got those who lead or in charge of civil aviation. They're the regulators. So I think the one issue that we've got here is that the regulators are not working with the operators. So the regulators set the standards of what they think that needs to be done at the airport or within the airports, and the operators are the service providers who provide that service for the regulators. So I think there's just a miscommunication between the regulators and the operators. So hopefully after this meeting and going through some of those issues yesterday and today, we'll be able to sort of find a mitigating factor to try and get the regulators and operators to understand what their roles are.
The last Pacific Island Aviation Safety and Security Forum was held in New Zealand 3 years ago. Niue is the first country in the Pacific to host a meeting outside of New Zealand.
This is a Pacific Aviation Security Forum, so it's not about New Zealand or any individual country, it's how we all cooperate together. Air travel is the critical link between all of us, and all of the Pacific 10 countries that are here have in common that we are small, we are remote, we have long distances between us, and air travel is critical. So this conference is themed for the Pacific, by the Pacific, looking at how do we together collectively address the issues that we've got in common. And there are quite a number, but we find the challenges are the same. There might be a different solution for each country, and we've really taken the opportunity to explore those to see how we can work together better. This is going to merge into a yearly conference because it's been 3 years since the last one, and what we find networks and relationships are the key for us, and they have sort of dropped off over the last 3 years, whereas coming back together, it is a renewal of old friends and acquaintances, and it's a chance to actually get to know people and talk to each other, put it on a footing where if we've got a problem or a concern, we can ring somebody up and talk to about how we do it. So for me, the really key bit is getting to know the representatives from the 10 countries and understand what our challenges are, and then be able to discuss the options open to us.
New Zealand and Australia play a vital part in the Pacific Island aviation safety and security by providing training to ensure the region meets aviation safety and security standards internationally. The forum identified challenges and issues faced by regional civil aviation authorities and finding solutions to minimize impacts in the region.
We've come up already as a result of day one with probably about 15 or 20 action points to progress. And I come back to a whole lot of it is networking, communicating, sharing, and how we do that. And it's not just a one-off conference, it's really how do we cement, formalise those relationships and know that we can work together going into the future. It is really a great network of friends.
The delegates will be flying out on Friday, and Samoa will be the hosts for the 2019 Pacific Island Aviation Safety and Security Forum. Ne hoko mai toko tolu e tau hukui mai he matakau UNDP ke tau se tā hokotaki ke tau ngahua he matakau Ridge to Reef. Palana e whenonga halo tolu toko tolu ke o mai we matutaki foki falu e tau whaholoanga lahi he motu tunga e IRIN mo GCF. Project ne ono niue ke whakaholo ke tau ne toi mai mua. Taha e pulotu foki ne ko whakalataha mai matakau UNDP nei ne whailoa mai tō whawhano mai e ia e tohi hokotaki pia foki mai whaula taulanga tau puhalanga hua ke langmatai e matakau tumua ki whanua ke he uluulu ka osi e hana maupopoanga mai he hana a tau kumikumianga. Niue's Ridge to Reef project, known as R2R, concluded their visitation by 3 UNDP representatives last week overseeing their mid-term review as we're following up on other major pipeline projects for Niue, the ARIAN and the GCF project. UNDP project officer Anne Trevor explained their one-week visit.
We timed this mission to coincide with the midterm review of the Ridge to Reef project. The midterm review is a reporting milestone back to the donor. In this case, it's the Global Environment Fund, and it's the midterm review is a time when the project team, the government partners, the communities involved in the project. This is a time when everyone, we have a consultant that comes in, but the main purpose of the midterm review is for the project to take stock of what progress has been made so far, what issues they may be facing, and then what is the way forward? How can we work together to ensure that the project meets its targets that were set right from the beginning when the proposal was approved. One other amazing thing that we've seen that may have not happened before is that everyone in Niue sort of knows. I guess has starting to get more appreciation of their environments around them through the consultations that the team has gone to with the and possibly getting some of these communities to actually participate in the implementation of some activities. We've been on site visits where you see some of the communities conducting sustainable agricultural practices, going for organic rather than using pesticides. In the case of Niue, it's a small country, so water is a very important resource which we should continue to safeguard. Water is life.
And advised the Ridge to Reef project was one formulated by the government of Niue and was happy to be working with the government in achieving outputs which she feels is progressing well.
We'd like to congratulate the government of Niue in how far it's come with the project and the whole idea of continuing to engage communities so that everyone has ownership of this very special resource that you have, the whole island, and continue to carry this forward. And then hopefully there will be other, so with the ARIAN project, all of that sort of feeds into this renewable energy efficiency. Yeah, it all sort of continues this sort of work to the future.
A separate consultant conducting Ridge to Reef's midterm review alongside the UNDP team had informed she will be releasing their report in due course to help the team meet the remaining outputs. Haha ke motu e tahatangata talahaua ko Jed Brophy mai he kiwhanga talahaua koe Lord of the Rings mai The Hobbit. Whiawhia lahi mai nawa Jed ke he fulfuluala mai mea he motu. Ngā hua whalataha Jed mo Sir Peter Jackson ke he tau ata kiwhanga talahaua nei. Pe mai Jed ko amanakia ia ke whakahoho a Sir Peter ke he hau ke okioki whakaku mai ki sia e fulfuluala he motu. Talahawai e Jed kua lata ke puipui whakalahi ke he taktaka i motu me lewe kianga he whahi ecotourism hani we. Ka kano hane lahi maha ki he tau tupe ne moa mai he tau talahawanga po ke tālangaanga he tau ki whanga tunga i Nisilani. Mana ko whoke Jed ke whakahoho e tau whanau, ke tau se e tau ata ki whanga. Tatai ni ka whakaonga e tau telefoni o ta whano ke pōkia ki e fulfuluala he motu pia whoki mo e tau tālatuai. In his professional 30-year acting career, Jed Brophy has starred in several box office hits including Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit. He's graced Niue's shores and took the time to explain to us on what a day on set is like, including playing the part of Nori, one of the dwarves and lead actors in The Hobbit.
We had 8 weeks of boot camp, dwarven boot camp. So we'd go for a horse ride for an hour and a half. We'd go to the gym and work out really, really hard to get strong core and get really strong in our shoulders and legs. And then we'd go to stunt training for an hour and a half, and then movement training for an hour and a half, and then we'd have voice training. So every day we were doing up to 8 to 9 hours work just to prepare for it. So for 8 weeks we were kind of training really, really hard. My costume weighed between 15 and 20 kilos, and that's without the weapons or any of the bags that we carried. 3 layers of wool. They made these special vests that went right on our skin, so in between takes they could pump ice cold water right onto our skin, because the fat suits were quite thick, they were about this thick, and they made us really wide and bulkier to make us look shorter, but they were really, really hot. The makeup people, when they take our costume off every day, there'd just be this river of sweat coming out of it. So it was really hard, and I think the heat, coping with the heat was the hardest thing probably. Getting picked up at 4 in the morning, every day, sometimes 3 in the morning, and you get there and they'd put on the prosthetics first, so the nose and the forehead and the ears and the headpiece took about between 45 minutes and an hour, and then we'd go to breakfast and come back and they'd put the wig on. My wig took about an hour and 20 minutes to put on. So the beard has to be stuck on every single part of your skin and then the wig stuck on, and my wig was made out of yak hair, so very, very hot, just so it could hold that kind of iconic starfish shape. And then you go to costume, and that would take 45 minutes. So probably in terms of preparation, it was about 3 to 4 hours before you even got on set. And then you'd shoot 12 to 13 hours on top of that. So every day was about 16, 17 hours.
When asked about what it's like to be on set with Sir Peter Jackson as a director and producer, the actor revealed he's quite the workaholic, very down to earth and deserves a holiday, such as one in Niue, which Jed announced he would highly recommend to Peter.
He's a true Kiwi. He's not affected by fame at all. He's exactly the same as the first time I met him. He's actually a very shy man, but on set he's got control of everything. He knows the films better than anybody, and his genius is surrounding himself with other geniuses. He's got a lot of amazing crew that work with him. The only line he actually says from the book is, "Yeah, Dory's left the Hobbit behind again." It's when Bilbo disappears. An
extended interview with actor Jed Brophy this Sunday at 6:30 p.m. And that is all of our news bulletin for tonight. Because we nea tolu a tau wala tal tutupu ken lata ia mai paulia po nei. Kena no whāme kia mnui ne po.